Some people like to drive straight through. Other people, every 45 minutes, an hour, you take a break. It just depends on what you're used to and what you're comfortable with. I keep talking about mental state. I'm in a pretty good mental state. And that's really important to just have a mindset on the road. Because if you're doubting yourself or you're insecure or you have anxiety, you don't need to be out here. I was talking to some other drivers and they were telling me they've had accidents and they don't really want to drive, and I don't blame them. Because I almost crashed once, and my good friend said, if you don't get back out there, you will never be the same. And I was scared. It took me 5 or 10 minutes to calm down. But I got back out there and went straight down. So, got these trucks again. And I'm gonna get over early. And the thing I can tell you is get over early, give those guys or ladies a lot of room. And they have a class C or D because it's hazardous. Yep, you see those trucks coming. I'm watching this truck now. See them all communicating? So I'm worrying about this truck here. They're coming out. So I'm lifting my foot right now. I don't want this person to come over on me. But these truck drivers are a whole new community. Excuse me. They're a whole new community, and I'm not part of that community. I will definitely talk to them and interact with them. See, we're dropping some speed now, and that's a smaller box truck. So I'm just backing off. I think you need a CDL Class 1 for that. The semi-truck to the right, slowly creeping up on me. So in this case, I'm staying in the left lane. I don't want to get to the right and be stuck around that slower moving traffic. Hopefully these two drivers ahead of me will just keep it moving and everything's good. So I'm not trying to, my vehicle is smaller, so why am I trying to push them? That's doesn't make sense. Stupid. Fuel range is 140. We're getting about 31 miles to the gallon. We are moving, you know, at the speed limit, which is great. Not late. It's 4:07 in the morning. That driver's kind of hugging the right, and I'm wondering if they're tired. I don't know what's going on. Or maybe they were taught to. You can make a lot of money being a truck driver, but obviously tires, fuel cost, insurance, maintenance. See, there's a car that snuck in behind me now. So now they're kind of leaning on me a little bit. Truck driver got over, but hey, there's another truck. So you got a car tailgating you. I'm not gonna let them put pressure on me to speed up because you can only control the space in front of you. They're from Indiana. currently this truck driver is definitely speeding. I think the speed limit for trucks is 60, 55. You should see, there we go. Now the driver's getting over. I'm just gonna pop that accelerator. Keep it moving. I'm gonna get over to the right. And if this car to the left wants to pass me, they can. We're not trying to hold up anyone. We're trying to keep it going. That's that Prius. Get a lot of range. Been in Prius before. They're not exactly super attractive. The newer ones are incredible. So things are going good. The drive is good. This route has me going through a different area, but I'm gonna have to continue to stay on interstate. This part of the interstate. I'm getting over early, not gonna wait. I'm gonna get back over. It's good that I'm getting back over to the right lane. Kind of gives your mind something to do. I'm moving pretty good. That car up there, they're doing about 100 or 95. So, and if you start keeping on our cars, that fuel range will just go down. And you got to drive at your speed that safely. I feel safe at the speed I'm at. But if I wanted to, you're gonna have me and that car going at a higher rate of speed, and that's how accidents happen. So it's not even about this right now, where I need to go and where I am right now. There's another truck. I'm gonna go ahead and get over. And when you do lane changes like this at highway speed, it really helps you learn how to be smoother. That tanker. I also have students make lane changes on curves. There's nothing saying you can't. It's a little bit harder, but I have students do that. I'm in a good rhythm right now. I mean, should I go get food? I'm good. Should I go get fuel? I'm gonna go to the next, I said at 100 miles. So if you're in a nice rhythm, your stomach's good, your bladder's good, car's running good, we just gonna keep going. So I passed that exit for food, fuel. Range is safe. But what if you miscalculate? Then we're screwed. So let me get back over to the right. Yes. And you have to have practice like this, driving like this, whether you're by yourself or your caregiver. post-COVID, just a large group of 17 to 24, 25-year-olds that just don't want to drive. And I see those trends now when I'm driving new students, new adults or teens, because that really has robbed us of a lot of time interacting with people. Everything's consistent. I'm driving without autopilot or cruise control on. This road is pretty smooth. Every few years they have to work on these roads. Got a warning sign to the right, traffic will be merging in, so you gotta be careful. Cars will just pop in.